going on, ladies and gentlemen? And today is July 25th, 2018. And in this video, we're going to cover what the market's doing and also got a personal request on a technical analysis. The message reads, can you give me your opinion on Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum over the next 2 weeks? I'm trying to make a few swaps. I'm thinking of flipping my Litecoin to beat Bitcoin Cash. I hear Litecoin might drop low $50 or even $40, and Bitcoin Cash is ready to spring. $1,200 maybe? What do you think? I hear Ethereum could drop to $350 or even less. Thank you. So, first, let's start off with CoinMarketCap.com, right? We've seen a lot of excitement over the past few days, a good price bump upwards. I believe yesterday the market cap, the highest was 302 billion. The 24-hour volume was about 20 billion. And Bitcoin dominance has gone up. And just so you guys know, when Bitcoin dominance goes up, that means most people are relying and trusting Bitcoin as an asset more than altcoins, right? So that's why Bitcoin has been getting all the attention. Its dominance is going up. Most of the money is going to Bitcoin right now. So now the 24-hour volume has decreased a little bit, but I remember I think it was a few days ago, the 24-hour volume went all the way down to 10 billion, and then the next day it was back up to, I think, 20 billion or something like that. And the market cap's only down about 5 billion. As you guys know, these things change very quick in the crypto world. So, now my opinion real quick, I believe the bulls are back in town. Of course, you're going to have your little corrections here and there, but I think the market has flipped to the other side of the coin. I think the bulls are going to be back for the long term now. Okay? And another thing about the Bitcoin dominance, I think once the money starts coming in, investors coming in, new money, new people start coming in, they're going to want to buy altcoins. I believe you're going to see that Bitcoin dominance shrink and the altcoins are going to flourish again. Okay? It will be glorious. So, let's jump right into some charts. First, we're going to start with Bitcoin, okay? As you can see, Bitcoin, as its dominance has gone up, it's been getting all the love, all the attention. So, as you can see, it had this steady trend line going up, steady increase going up. It broke multiple resistances. Let me show you guys here. So it broke resistance here, here, right? So I believe Bitcoin, as long as it doesn't break the trend line and the volume stays good and the volume goes up, it will continue its path to glory, and it will probably breach 86, then 9,000, then 9,200 before making a correction back down. So I believe the Bitcoin right now, it's going to hit the support again. The support around 7,600, bounce back up, maybe hit the resistance again, bounce back up, then it'll break through, right? The resistance is right around this area, okay? So that's what I believe will happen, but it should look more like this. It should just hit the trend line and then break the resistance, maybe hit it a few times before breaking it up. As long as the momentum comes back and the volume comes back in, okay? So, now, another thing I want to tell you, the volume could be better, but it's okay. The relative strength index, it's decreasing, as you can see here, right? The strength is decreasing right now. Okay, so that shows that in the short term, that a price decrease is coming. Same with the momentum. The momentum is decreasing. Okay, as you can see on the MACD. Okay, which is right here. Okay, we also have a sell signal right here, a sell signal right here. Okay, so that's my quick analysis for Bitcoin. Let's jump right into EOS. As you guys know, what was it? This is a 4-hour candle chart, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys know, about 2-3 days ago, I sold my EOS at 925. If you're getting my trade calls, you're listening to what I'm doing. I sold my EOS at 925. I bought it back up at, I think it was 775 maybe? Yeah, I think it was 775, or no, 776. Remember what I always told you, always put 1 penny higher so you make sure you get that trade, because a lot of people, they put orders in for, even numbers. So So I bought it back up. I sold it. I believe I sold it. I think I just sold it this morning. I think I sold it at 8.56. So my next buy target will be at $7.51. Okay. Okay. So I'm jumping back in on EOS at $7.51. That's what I think it's going to fall to. Okay. But again, I believe the alts will come back to glory. They will come back. Now again, just like most of the coins, the strength is decreasing. Okay, it's gonna determine in this triangle I made here whether it's gonna increase, decrease. Same with the MACD. The momentum is decreasing. We have a sell signal popping up. A sell signal might pop up here. Okay. So that's my analysis on EOS. Now Ethereum. Ethereum is on a decline too. All the coins, they're as you can see, this high was higher than this high. Okay, when it's bullish, this high should be up here, higher than the previous high, right? If you look at it in a waves perspective, right? So again, we're on a downwards trend here. Okay, I'm not trading Ethereum right now, but if I were you guys, I believe Ethereum could hit around the 425 area. If it does go that way, unless we get huge volume that comes in, more excitement, new money that pushes the market up, I believe Ethereum could hit around the $430 to 425 area. It depends. It could always go two ways. Remember that. But so far, I think the whole market is still bullish. I think it's still looking good. We're going to have a short correction on some, generally speaking, what goes up must come down. What goes down must come up, right? So and if the volume does pick up, the next stop, if I were to jump out, I would probably sell around $549 and buy the dip before it breaks through. Okay, that's my quick analysis. Now Litecoin, as in the email, this person wants to make a few swaps. They're thinking of flipping their Litecoin and switching that money into Bitcoin Cash. I would say 100%. I don't like Litecoin. I know a lot of people went all in on Litecoin and they got absolutely wrecked. I don't know if you guys remember, but at the end of 2017, Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, sold all of his Litecoin right before, like literally right before the market crashed. He sold all of his Litecoin. And since then, Litecoin has been shit. I wouldn't even trade Litecoin. There's so many more profitable coins to put your funds into. Zcash, Ontology, 8 Eternity, Expanse, Enigma. If you watch I have a video up about the top 10 most profitable coins for 2018, 2019 that can get you high on profit. You should watch it. It gives you my thoughts on what coins will be highly profitable. So Litecoin, we're not even going to do an analysis on Litecoin. I don't like Litecoin. I think it's a shitty investment, but the price will go down too. And I think if Litecoin does go down, I don't see it going down any farther past $60. I just can't see it happening. So that's my quick analysis on Litecoin. As you can see, we have a strong support at the $70 to $72 area. Okay, so but that's if the bears are back. Okay, right now I believe the market still is bullish, even though Bitcoin is getting all the attention. Its dominance is going up. People trust Bitcoin more than the alts, but I believe the market is returning. There is a lot of excitement. A lot of new investors are planning to jump in, things like that. Now, Bitcoin Cash, I am not a fan of Bitcoin Cash. I'm really not. Like I said, I think there's much more profitable coins than like all coins. Okay. If you're going to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum and you're going to trade it well, like I would stick with Bitcoin or Ethereum or EOS to trade. Okay, if that could be like your trade that you do every day, every other day, you can stay on top of it. But if you're a long-term holder, a hodler that wants a long-term investment, a swing traders, there's much more profitable coins that can be bought, such as 8 Eternity, Expanse, Ontology, Zcash, things like that. So, but Bitcoin Cash, I'll do a quick analysis on Bitcoin Cash. Just for the request. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin Cash real quick. Again, just like the rest of the alts, strength is decreasing. Okay, momentum on the MACD decreasing. We have a sell signal. Okay, we're gonna see where this thing rides out to. The volume is low. Bitcoin Cash doesn't have good volume. Okay. As you can see, this mountain peak right here was smaller than the previous one, which is a bearish signal. The exponential moving averages, it's still saying it's in the bullish range, but as you can see, we have an arc. Remember, this is a 4-hour candle chart. Okay, so let's do some quick supports. Okay, so if the volume comes back into Bitcoin Cash, in the market in general, the next stop for Bitcoin Cash, if the market goes up, the altcoins start getting invested in more, new money's coming in. I believe Bitcoin Cash right now in the short-term prediction, it's going to come and test around the 750 support. Okay, then it's probably going to come back up, come back down and test. And if the market's good, it'll break around the $900 area, and the next stop will probably be around $1,200 before coming back down. Okay, but if it doesn't, if we do have a bearish move coming in the future, I believe if it breaks around the $750 area, the next stop is going to be around $675. So that's my quick analysis on Bitcoin Cash. Now, good coins to invest in right now. Like I've been saying, if you're a long-term holder, Expanse, check out Expanse. The ticker is EXP. Right now it's 97 cents. And previously, the highest it's ever been, I think, was somewhere around $10. Okay, now when the market comes back, think about it. That's a 10 times increase. Buying it for $1, I believe Expanse can easily be a $100 coin within a year or two. Easily. Okay, but that's a long-term hold. That's a HODL coin. Okay, so that's Expanse. I think that's a good investment. If you're going to switch your Litecoin money, I would invest in some alts, because right now Bitcoin dominance is up and altcoins are down. So it's a good time to buy altcoins before the herd and the flood of people come in and you got your coins for cheap. Okay, now another one, A-Eternity. Check out A-Eternity. A-Eternity is a good grab. I would buy A-Eternity at about the $1.50 area. Okay, so I believe A-Eternity will probably hit anywhere between $1.50, $1.60. I will snag some up. Ontology is like Neo. Okay, if you guys been getting my trade calls, we would have got all my Ontology, EOS, Zcash, and Bitcoin and Ethereum trade calls for you, right? So now Ontology, a good price to buy Ontology at will probably be around $3.20. Okay, I don't think Ontology is really going to go anywhere below $3 in the near future ever. Okay, like I said, the bulls are back in town. We're going to have our small corrections, but for someone that wants to invest, for a swing trader or a long-term hodler, I would definitely check out Expanse, A-Eternity, EOS, Tezos, and things like that. I would definitely jump ship on Litecoin. I think Litecoin's a shitty investment. But that's my analysis right now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will make another one today. Don't forget to press like and hit subscribe. You guys have a great day.